name is Nurul Balkis Mat Zaid from Civil and Structural Engineering Program, University Kebangsaan Malaysia. Today I would like to present my article, A Review Information Needs for Infrastructure Building Information Modeling, as known as BIM. This is the structure that I would like to present today. First come first, we see what previous article says about information needs. Then go through what the methodology that I'm using in review this article. After that, we look at the overview selected previous academic paper, and for the result we can see what are the collection information needs by PACES. Then I will close the presentation by a conclusion. As you can see, this figure I get from Bradley et al. 2016 state that as with any BIM approach, the effectiveness and usefulness of the data revolves around the ability to specify what data to collect, who will collect it, and how it will be utilized, along with the provisions of technologies to capture and transfer the data between participating parties. From this figure, we can see the BIM object information definition on who, what, where, when, and how. But in my article, I'm just focusing on what the information needs in each PACES in infrastructure BIM. These are the keywords that I'm used in my search engine, Science Direct and Google Scholar. I'm using BIM or Building Information Modeling and Infrastructure or Construction or Civil Information Modeling inside title or keyword. From that, this is what I get, and it's give a total of 347 articles. However, I have sorted 54 research articles associated with the construction PACES. From those 54 articles, year by year we can see increasing article in infrastructure. Surprisingly, from 2013, a large number of published work can be perceived in the field of infrastructure and construction relating to building information modeling. Articles published more focusing on certain infrastructure like tunnel, bridge, and transportations. Hence, researchers hope that research on BIM will continue to increase and expand further on the field of the infrastructure project lifecycle. 16 different countries developed the 54 selected research articles and exhibiting the actual international scope of BIM for infrastructure. Out of 54, the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, and China contribute 36, with Republic 3, Japan, Germany, and Malaysia, Canada 2, and Egypt, Korea, Finland, Hong Kong, New York, Barcelona, and Norway 1. By the literature published paper, it had been perceived that Eastern Asian nations are generating an outsized number of research on infrastructure issues, whereas in Europe, the most emphasis was on building and style with a growing shift towards infrastructure subject. This is 4 phases construction, namely planning, design, construction, and operation and maintenance. I have selected best of 3 information needs that the most stated in previous article. The rest you can check further in my article. First, we go at planning. Information needs listed are cost estimations, user-defined information, and environment. Of course, when we say about the cost estimation is very important information needs for accuracy management and quality beam construction. This is agreed by Lee, Marzouk, and Schiff. User-defined informations can provide real-time feedback to the drill operator, says Jan on 2009. This also can manage the conformance of finish from accurately because the informational model is precise by Aroch 2016. In the sites of environment, checking out the defects of change of related environmental timely and therefore the components and handling the technical condition of the bridges systemically. Yin et al. 2011. We go to design phases. Again, time and cost plan in design help in decreasing the fault and clashes agreed by Azhar 2011 and Chang 2016. Fanning et al. 2015 stated that 2 bridges in Denver using beam could save 5 to 9% construction costs. Information in project scheduling. In the design phase, the stimulated model in infrastructure supports designer to locate and resolve conflicts that have a huge impact during actual construction. This is by Chang and Liu, 2015. Information in material management with support technologies like radio frequency identification, RFID, Geographic Information System, GIS, or Global Positioning System, GPS, and material tracking are often handled with the assist of BIM models. 2. For the availability and management of materials simpler of efficient. Wang and Chong, 2000. For the construction, in the construction phases, constructability reviews, construction inspection, and human resources management and progress tracking is the information needs. As you see, in constructability reviews, the visualization training of personal stakeholder organization is one of the good platform of BIM facilities in the construction process by Zhang et al. 2014. In the construction inspection, through the BIM model, all the informational need for inspections and specification of usable building materials is available by Bright, Progress, and Rome 2013. With mobile computing, BIM models are often integrated for resources management and progress tracking by Taken 2000. Operation and maintenance phases. You can see the information need is post-construction, innovation and rehabilitation, and demolitions. Under post-construction, BIM provides a centralized system that might readily be ready for information, retrieval, and enhanced visualization for quality maintenance. It's from Chong et al. 2014. Possible damage in bridge structure are going to be monitored by Structural Health Monitoring (SHM), which may help decision makers to diagnose and make early plans and action. These are the author agreed for this statement. For demolitions, the major concerns for bridges is deteriorations. Highway bridges are often threatened by deflections and deteriorations in their lifetime, which can affect their safety and performance. Casa and Frankel 2011, Helmy et al. 2015. As for the conclusions, all information needs listed in this review will provide better collaborations between stakeholders, advanced analytics, automations of repetitive tasks, linking of information sets, optimizations of construction information. This review will provide useful information to the client or stakeholder in the decisions of using BIM for infrastructure. That's all for my article. Thank you.